So I am here with a follow-up video with an actual person that is gonna do the job better than I did it the first time. So if you remember the video that I did with Kristen, where I was walking her through poses and vacuuming, and not that, and now this is Ms. Jenny Smith.
Hi.
IFBB Pro in wellness, and she is a posing coach. She is also a coach, but she is going to walk me through. She is my posing coach, and I will say Jen Strobo and I have worked together multiple times. She's worked with me on posing. She actually helped me with my suit, and we've done a lot of online stuff. I need the in-person, and me and her do glutes together every Friday. You've seen her in a video before because we filmed before with Nikki.
Yeah.
So she's gonna walk me through how to do posing, and then what we'll do is we're gonna go in and play around, and then we're gonna come back out here, and she's gonna properly teach how to do a vacuum.
Vacuum, aka lower pressure fitness. So I'm going to take you through some cues and show you how to properly pull in that vacuum and hold it, and there's a proper technique to it.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
So now, we're not going to do the vacuums now, we're going to do the posing now.
Yes, posing right now, we're going to go through quarter turns, just going over the basic quarter turns that is required for figure.
So you're going to listen, so what she'll do is, you can stand behind Josh, my cameraman.
Perfect.
And so that you can hear her, and then I will be going through it and dying.
Okay, perfect.
Because I was dying inside and now it's hot out here.
Yeah,
So
it's a little muggy here in Vegas.
Okay, so.
Right, what we want to look for here is in that front pose, we want those heels together, and for Jen, we want those feet slightly turned out in a 45-degree angle, which is going to make her quads appear a little bit bigger, which they already are bigger. Here, we want to really push those lats out, and she's going to lean slightly forward because the judges are below her. From here, quarter turn to the right. It's all about bringing out that lat and making sure the shoulders are nice and even, being able to see that hamstring on that side, keeping the core nice and tight. Quarter turn to the right. Feet together, heels together, feet flared out, because it's going to bring out this swoop right here, as you can see. Clench those toes, Jen, to make those hamstrings pop. Lean slightly back, with your back. There you go. Quarter turn to the right. Keep that core nice and tight. Flaring that lat. Right lat up. Quarter turn to the right. Feet together. Heels together, feet flared out in a 45-degree angle. And from here, she's going to slightly lean forward, keeping the core nice and tight, nice and tall from the chest. And those are the quarter turns for figure and even physique.
Oh, okay.
All right. In order to properly vacuum, you want to do it in sets of 3. The first 2 sets are warm-up sets, engaging the core and pushing it in. The key to this is pulling in your inner muscles, which is your transverse muscles. So I'm going to do sets of 3. On the third and final set, I'm going to vacuum. So I expand the belly, pulling the oxygen in, and then I release, pushing the oxygen out. It's almost like blowing air into a balloon and then slowly releasing the air. And on that third and final set, I'm going to vacuum. I do it in 3s. I'm going to breathe in. 1. Vacuum out. And release. It's about warming up that muscle. You're pulling it in and pushing it out. Pull it in and push it. And that last final round, you pull it in by pulling your belly button in and up into your rib cage. So that when we're on stage, we are breathing from our diaphragm and not our core. Like so. So when Jen's there, Jen,
you want me to lay down?
Yeah, hop down.
When I do it, you can zoom in a little bit more.
And here we're doing it in a supine position. She can even flip around and do it in a pronated position, like so. So you want to do them in multiple angles, so that, because we don't live in just one single angle in life. So we want to do it in a supinated and a pronated, and we're even going to do them standing. So the first thing I'm going to have her do is to relax, and I'm going to eventually have her get this back all the way flat to the ground. She's going to, from here, she's going to expand the belly. 1, 2, 3, nice big belly, Jen. Breathe. And then as she's going to decompress, pulling in. From here, now you're going to do another breath there. 1, 2, 3, inhale. 1, 1, 2, 3, exhale, pulling it in. Now on the last and final round, she's going to vacuum. Breathe in, expand the belly, expand the belly, expand the belly, expand the belly, expand the belly. Now breathe in, exhale. Vacuum from here. And because Jen's got a lot of dense muscle right here, what I'm having her do is see a massage therapist that's gonna break up all of that tissue that's right in that area. And believe it or not, we get little like modules and like scar tissue there, release it. So he's gonna get his hands and he's literally gonna stick his hands underneath there to break up all that tissue. She's already had a few sessions and it's made a huge difference, but he's gonna do this. We're just breaking up all of that underneath there, and that will help her vacuum better. So one more time, Jen. So when I say breathe in, you're going to expand the belly to make a big round belly. That's it. See that? Look at that. Good job. Hold it, breathe from your diaphragm. Practice like if you're on stage. Now we're going to release it. Release. Now we're going to take a nice big drink of oxygen, expanding the belly like a balloon, and then pull it in. That's it, that's it, that's it. See how she needs to get this broken up here? Look at that. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Now release it. There you go. Now you're gonna take a nice big drink of oxygen, and then we're gonna pull it in. That's it. Hold it, breathe from here. Practice breathing from here, not here. Now release it. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, exhale, pulling the stomach in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in. Vacuum. That's it. Good job. Good job. And I'm massaging, I'm forcing her stomach to go in. And over time, it hurts, but she's gonna get better and better. Look at that. Good job, Jen. Now let's flip it around, because once again, you wanna do these in multiple angles. This is gonna be in her, she was in a supine position, laying flat, now she's gonna be in a pronated position. The objective here is she's going to be here, and she's going to just release the belly to the ground, and then inhale. And then vacuum. Extend your belly, make it a little bit more lengthy. Jen, move your feet back. There you go. Okay, as we take it, there we have it. Look at that vacuum. Look at that vacuum. And the key to doing these successfully is you want to do them first thing in the morning on an empty stomach with no food or water, because you're able to pull in that core nice and tight. We just trained so our stomachs are empty, so it's this is the perfect and prime time to vacuum. First thing in the morning and right after you train. There you go, Jen. Good job. Look at that vacuum. Look at that vacuum. Release. So it's about pulling that belly button to the spine and then up into the rib cage.
How long do you try to hold?
20 to 30 second holds.
Really?
20 to 30 second holds. And super.
I had like 10 seconds.
And
So you want to work your way up to it. So somebody won't feel like a total piece of if they can only do like 5 to 8 seconds.
Well, just like exercising, we build up our stamina based on years and years of practice. This is the same thing. You're new to this. I've been doing this for years, so like for me to hop into a vacuum is very easy because I've practiced those transverse muscles to be. And the best time actually, I look like a freak, but I'm at a stoplight vacuuming, and the person next to me is like, "What the hell is she doing?" I'm not taking a dump. I'm just vacuuming. I'm just vacuuming. But that's the best time because I'm seated and I'm forcing myself, and I try to time myself by the light. Like, let's see if I can do this. I usually don't make it, but guess what? Practice makes perfect. Good job, Jen.
Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Se te ve bien, baby, sin encaje te queda. Estás tan caliente que quema. Tú que te sabes mi tema, porque con ellos te das placer. Rompemos el hielo, pero esta vez quiero algo más que comerme esa piel. Entro como en el Mazda, quiero quien más da. Bien caliente y bajo cero, puedo ser caballero grosero. Eso depende solo de ti, amor. Pa' los gustos, los colores y los elías. Bien caliente y bajo cero, puedo ser caballero grosero. Esta noche en mi cama escribimos guión. En este mundo tan frío yo te doy calor. Me dice con los ojos, lo niega con la boca. La bebé, te estoy como un mosca. Es que bien fina quiero whisky a la roca.
Okay, so Jenny had to leave, so what I did was I went through some of my model poses, and me and her are gonna meet more often for other reasons besides this. And I'm gonna see her again next Friday. I'm gonna practice, because I practice every single day. But I hope that you liked some of the cueing that she was talking about. I kind of know how to pull in, so I probably should have asked more questions about like if somebody's having a really hard time pulling in, but hopefully you got some really good cues. She's amazing. She actually does do sessions for this. So I'm gonna leave her contact info so that if you guys want to, you can reach out to her. And if you guys wanted to do posing with her, if you guys are athletes that follow me, she does bikini, wellness, and figure. I don't know if she does physique. And I think that's it. So, like, subscribe, share the video. I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna practice my vacuums again tomorrow like I do every morning. And I will see you guys in the next one.